Here is the Tricolored Grille insert trim that I installed on the BMW 228i. It's the 2021 year, and just showing you how easy it is. So it's an Amazon purchase. I had it for like at around $29.99, and here's that Amazon item that I bought. It's from the Goodream store. So it arrived promptly, and here, very easy, just align it with your grill, and then you push it. So that was the wrong way, so you just have to make sure you align it and just push it. And then here's the blue one. Just be careful and push, and it clicks and push. It's just if you want, if you want your grill to stand out. You don't have to, but I'm trying this and see how it looks. But that was a quick, easy install, just in case you are planning to get this. It's in Amazon. I bought it from Goodream store, and those are the pictures with the car, and then this is a live video as well as I walk through. As I walk going to my car, and this is the view once you've installed it. It's just if you want to have this in your car grill.